This is Harry's bedroom, but something is missing. Maybe a little sofa. So I built one just for him. And a little reading light. I also added a few extra cushions. And this is Harry ready to test his new sofa. First, Harry is trying headstand. Not bad for his first time. Next, it's time for sofa football. No shoes needed here. After awesome football practice, it's time to spend some quality time with family. Mom and Dad left for work, which means it's time to play with Kitty. Kitty is slightly annoyed. After all their playing, it's time to watch TV. Now on to the serious stuff, working from home. Harry needs to send a few emails and it's all done. After all the hard work, it's time to take a nap. Woken up by rumbling tummy, Harry is ready to eat. Time to get creative. Harry's building something with Lego. He's built 2 mini cars. Next, Harry makes a big decision to do absolutely nothing. And then read the book. Let me turn on light for you. Suddenly, Harry's got an idea to order a new rug. Special delivery. If you would like to build a sofa too, the tutorial's coming up next. From headstands to naps, Harry did it all. But it turns out the comfiest part of the sofa is sharing with your family. I will be back soon with something new.